So I'd like to show a new feature that will be introduced in 1.6. This is called animation states, and it's basically a replacement for sequencer morphs. However, it's even better. Like, look, I can grab it and it's animated. And the cool thing about it is that it's fully keyframe based. So here, I'm gonna go here now. There'll be an animation state editor. There'll be multiple like animation states that you can assign. But if you set it to main, it would be played in the model block or in the, I guess, BBS gun. So here I have animations and I can like change stuff like with keyframes and stuff like that. There is also all the features that are present in the film editor is related to keyframe initializing. For example, take this one, it would be still like visible here. But there's also, if you have multiple states, multiple animation states that are assigned to a morphed player, you can assign a keybind. And what this means, you can trigger an animation here. From here I have a little dance, and I have like a surprise animation. And as you can see, all of this works even like walking and stuff like that. So yeah, this is very powerful and was actually crowdfunded by the community. I don't remember exactly the list of names, but I would post them in the description and also in the full video. But yeah, that's basically what I'd like to show.